we'll guide you through how to export your contacts from Mailchimp. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Mailchimp website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the Audience tab, which you can find at the left-hand bar. Here, you'll see all your audiences listed. Choose the audience from which you want to export contacts. Now, look for the Manage Audience drop-down menu. It's usually located near the top right corner. Click on it and you'll see an option for Export All Contacts. Select that option and Mailchimp will start preparing your export file. This process may take a few moments depending on the size of your audience. Once the file is ready, Mailchimp will send you an email with a download link. Alternatively, you can also find the export file in your account under the Notifications section. Click on the download link from the email or in the notifications to download your contacts as a CSV file. This file format is perfect for opening in spreadsheet applications like Excel or Google Sheets. Remember to save the file securely, especially if it contains sensitive information. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Mailchimp contacts. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.